LLMs can make mistakes. So that's why when you're running something of critical importance or just something relatively important, it is important not to put the AI in the driver's seat, as it can, maybe, even if you're unlucky, delete your entire system with an rm-rf slash or something like that. So, you want to make sure that you can control what the AI does so that it doesn't damage the system, especially with specific commands like remove commands or APIs or anything like that that cost the business something if it goes wrong. Now, send and wait response is the human in the loop equivalent in n8n, and all chat apps have them. If I go to Discord here, you'll see send message and wait for response. If I go to Telegram, you'll also see send message and wait for response. Now, how it works is the same across all APIs. You send a message to a certain place, you send a message and you ask for an approval, or free text, which is anything, or a custom form, so they fill in a form and you get the answers from the form. Now, in this case, I just want approval, and the type of approval you can add approve and disapprove, approve only. Free text, there are also different parameters which you should play around with to find the right one for you. Now, if I execute this, you'll see that it runs the send message. It sends a message, but it stops at the send message. So it doesn't. It stops at the send message and wait for response until you respond. It's slightly laggy at the moment. Let's just reload. Now, if I execute, you'll see it waits until we respond. Now we just have to wait until we receive the email, which might take some time as Google servers haven't been the greatest today, been consistently slow. It's now how you would use this is in in cooperation with an AI chatbot like an AI agent, and one of its tools might be um, bound to a human in the loop system. So let's just make a simple example here. An AI agent that runs a specific tool, let's just say call a workflow, and when it calls that workflow, then it will ask for permission to call the tool. So uh, so that's one way to use it. Another would be if you have a specific data structure and you want to read data into a sensitive area. For example, you have a Google Sheet that has a bunch of information, and if that information uh, and that information should be organized, so you can look through the information to see if it's organized or not. Now, as you see, I have a Gmail message with "can I do something?" with a decline and an approve, just like we said. And if I click the approve button, it will take me to uh, if I hit the approve button, it will take me to a site that will then record it, and then it will finish running after I click the approve button. Now, hopefully this helps you not delete your entire device, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye bye.